Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. We're used that rugged phones are heavy and thick. However, Vernee company decided to change the market and release new phone called Vernee V2 Pro. It has quite thin body and compact size compared to other rugged phones. The specifications are very impressive: 6-inch Full HD Plus display, 6200 mAh battery, 21 and 5 megapixel main camera, Helio P23 chipset with 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. Are you interested? Let's make first review. Of course, there are already powerful rugged phones on the market, for example, AGM X2 SE. However, all of them look and feel thick and heavy. If you want smartphone with IP68 rating, waterproof and shockproof, then Vernee V2 Pro looks perfect. I didn't find information about its thickness, but it seems one of the thinnest rugged phones on the market. It doesn't even look like a rugged phone. The front side has 6-inch display with thin bezels on top and bottom. Above the screen you can find dual front camera, earpiece and even LED flashlight. The back side is made of special material with small dots. The manufacturer says this design increases anti-slip ability by 30%. Here you can see dual main camera, LED flash and fingerprint reader. Also you can notice another thing next to the camera. It is real-time heart rate monitor. The right and left sides are made of metal of red color. It makes the phone durable and look very interesting. There are volume rocker and power button on the right side and slot for SIM cards on the left. Also there is a special power-saving button next to SIM card slot. As already said, this is rugged phone by IP68 standard. You can bring the phone under the water in 1.5 meter depth for about 30 minutes. Also it can be used under extreme temperature from -30 to +60 degrees Celsius. The display is another highlight because it has very thin bezels as for the rugged phone. Vernee V2 Pro comes with 5.99-inch screen with Full HD Plus resolution 2160 by 1080 pixels and 18 by 9 aspect ratio. The screen-to-body ratio is 81.3%, which is great for rugged phone. It is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. As for the performance, Vernee V2 Pro should be very fast. It is powered by Helio P23 chipset, 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory with microSD memory card support. Helio P23 scores about 75,000 points in Antutu, so we expect the same result from Vernee V2 Pro. Of course, new phone supports GPS, GLONASS and different functions for outdoors such as compass, pedometer and others. By the way, there is NFC, Bluetooth 4.2 and even OTG support. Vernee V2 Pro runs on latest Android 8.1 Oreo operating system with VOS user interface. There are many useful functions such as Face ID unlock, intelligent apps, power saving, etc. This phone looks amazing, but what about camera? On paper, the camera of Vernee V2 Pro looks very exciting. It has dual rear camera with 21 and 5 megapixel sensors and dual front camera with 13 and 5 megapixel sensors. Both cameras have LED flash. The smartphone is not on sale yet, so we don't have real sample photos. We cannot talk about image quality, but I'm very excited. Also, I like rugged phones because you can take images and record video under the water. You will be surprised, but Vernee V2 Pro is equipped with 6200 mAh battery. It provides up to 4 days of battery life and VOS fast charging support. The full charge takes about 150 minutes. I already said there is OTG support, so you can use this phone to charge other devices. We don't know the price of this phone, but looking at specifications and features, it should be no less than $250. Also, we don't know the release date, but the manufacturer promises to start sales in May 2018. So we are waiting for Vernee V2 Pro because it looks the most interesting rugged phones for the last time. I will try to get this phone and make full review when it will go on sale. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.